Puja Swamiji is with us, मैं उनसे निवेदन करूंगी कि महाराज जी हमको मार्गदर्शन देंगे on this beautiful International Youth Day and how हम लोग how wherever God keeps us, we can be truly happy and peaceful and joyful there, whether we're youth or adults.
Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garuda Dhwaja Mangalam Pundari Kaksho Mangalayatano Harihi Oh Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya Oh Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Dear Divine, very beautiful soul, Sri Kailash, and because time is very short, to all the participants from all over the world, I'm so proud that today, in the age of COVID-19, our youth has shown the way that how we can be innovative and how we can implement those innovations. I'm watching, listening, all this information from all over the world. United Nations has done amazing job, but all of you together, united creation, through the united creation, we can bring a new vision, new wisdom for our coming generations. Not the next generation, but the now generation. Youth have the amazing power, amazing power. They must feel that power and then fill the power to others. I remember when I was in the jungle, I was very young. And being in the jungle, gone through so many hardships, and they were amazing saints. But the one lesson I have learned from those jungle days, that which is very useful for you and for everybody even today. I noticed the saints, the sages, the seers who were living there. There were many challenges. There was no door-to-door service. There was no Amazon.com. There are no Wi-Fi services. Today in the world, you are having all these beautiful facilities, but not in the jungle. We had it, but still, what we had in the jungle, after having all these hardships, whomever you ask, how are you? They'll give you one answer, super, mast. Kaise hai? Mast hai. And today, after having everything, if you ask children, how are you? Well, it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Not good. Not good. It's okay. They had nothing okay. but everything was okay. They had nothing set, but they were set. They were set. Nothing was well, but they were well. Today, we have to find this, that how to stay set, even nothing is set. How to stay well when nothing is well. When things go up and down, then how you should not go up and down. Number two, they had nothing. They were living with less. Even I remember sometime there was no food for 3 days. Living with less. They understood the meaning of life is not life is to have more. It's great. You all have so much. Even in the time of Corona, nobody was going for job for months, but still people had enough to be happy, to be with the family, to be together. And the mantras I learned from the jungle, from those saints. Number one, life is not only to have more. Life is to be more, to share more, to give more. That's what is needed. That's what is needed, Kailash ji. You have amazing life. You are the example. I have seen your early days. How you, from those days, rather than being depressed, you got yourself together. You brought yourself together. And today, world has seen, and you have shown to the world how things can change. Living in the selfie world. We are living in the selfie world. And this selfie world and sometimes selfish world also. We have to understand the power of self. That how not only taking the selfie is enough, but contemplating on the self also. That will make you strong. That will make you together. That's what is needed. Zindagi keval na jeene ka bahana. Zindagi keval na jeene ka bahana. Zindagi keval na सांसों का खजाना. जिंदगी सिंदूर है पूरब दिशा का. जिंदगी का काम है सूरज उगाना. एक नया सूरज, एक नई रोशनी. और वो रोशनी खिलती है. वो रोशनी खिलती है हमारे जीवन में जब हम संकल्प करते हैं कि yes, I will do it. I have to do it and I must do it. And be bold. Use your time, use your talent, use your technology, use your tenacity. Have this 4 T's program. Have these 4 T's. And use your time for the sake of others. Use your talent for the sake of humanity. Life is not only for yourself. Life is for all. Use your technology for all. Using for yourself will make you happy temporarily. But if you use for all, for the sake of others, your time, your talent, your technology, your tenacity, believe me, I have seen it. From that jungle day till today, how it works in our life. Many challenges come. Many turbulences come. Trials and tribulations come. But there is one thing which can keep you anchored and grounded, which can make your peace together. That is yourself. When yourself is connected, grounded with the divine, there is a divine power. Give any name to that divine power. It works. It's an amazing divine insurance company. No dues, no premium, no fees, but it works. In life insurance company, when they say insure and be secure, but you have to pay premiums and dues. But here in the divine insurance company, Just have faith that God is with you. The divine energy is with you. And with that faith, you can see, you don't have to move mountains with the faith, but you have to stay unshakable, unmovable in those moments. That's what is needed. That's what is needed. I love you. I can go on and on, but my battery of my life is on, but battery of my phone needs recharging.
गुरुजी, आप तो पावर हाउस ऑफ धरती के, आपसे तो पृथ्वी जगमगा रही है, ये सब चल रहा है, जितना भी दिख रहा है इस पृथ्वी पर, जितना भी प्रतीत हो रहा है, आपका ही मंत्र है जिससे हमें प्रेरणा मिली, कम में ही दम है। इसलिए अभाव के प्रभाव से स्वभाव ऐसा बन गया कि एक नदी की तरह मैं बह रहा हूं, न जाने कितनी चट्टानें आई, और गुरुजी बस अपने आप है, नदी अपना रास्ता बनाती चलती गई।
But stay connected with that powerhouse. When he concluded, he was talking about the values, the sanskaras. People always ask me, especially in India, about wearing jeans. I tell them not to worry about wearing jeans, but you should not forget your genes. Your genes, your values. अपने मूल से जुड़ो, अपने मूल्यों से जुड़ो, अपनी जड़ों से जुड़े रहो, अपने संस्कारों से जुड़े रहो, अपने परिवारों से जुड़े रहो। पीआर आपको बहुत दूर ले जा सकता है, लेकिन जो पीआर से जुड़ जाते हैं, परिवार से कट जाते हैं, वो संस्कार से कट जाते हैं, फिर जीवन में प्यार से भी कट जाते हैं। इसलिए अपने सबसे बड़ा पीआर है अपना परिवार, अपने संस्कार, बस उनसे जुड़े रहो, फिर बल्ले बल्ले है, फिर मस्ती है जीवन में, फिर थोड़ा भी होगा, कुछ कम भी होगा, चलेगा, आप मस्त रहेंगे, क्योंकि मस्ती है। जिंदा तो सब कुछ जिंदा है, जिनकी मस्ती जिंदा है उसकी हस्ती जिंदा है, बाकी तो सब जबरदस्ती जिंदा है।
क्या बात है गुरुजी, बने रहो,
मस्त रहो।
हरिओम।
God bless you. On behalf of all of you, I will ask Sadhvi ji to please, because I'm in the car, I wish I could offer you from here, but on behalf of me and on behalf of all of you, to all of you, Sadhvi ji will give this beautiful, this green plant. Let us have a green beginning.
Yes.
Let us have a green beginning. God bless you, and I love you. And next time, not on webinar, but when the Corona call is over, we can have all this together, International Youth Day, right here in the Paramarth Niketan on the banks of Ganga. Jai Gange. Love you all.